Many people underestimate how sensitive and fragile their nerves truly are, until symptoms like tingling, numbness, or sharp burning pains suddenly interfere with daily life. As a healthcare professional, I often see patients who come in only after nerve damage has already progressed. The trouble is, by the time those signs appear, the damage may already be well underway. Nerve damage can be caused by a variety of conditions: diabetes, chemotherapy, autoimmune diseases, chronic inflammation, or even poor nutrition. To understand how this happens, picture your nerves as the electrical wiring in your home. Just like wires need insulation to carry signals safely, your nerves are wrapped in a protective layer called the myelin sheath. When this layer gets damaged, due to inflammation or oxidative stress, your nerves can no longer send signals properly. That's when pain, weakness, or numbness set in. But here's the hopeful part. Just as electrical systems can be rewired, your nerves can repair and regenerate if given the right support. Today, let's explore natural, science-backed drinks that not only soothe nerve discomfort, but also actively help in nerve repair and protection. These remedies are simple to include in your daily routine and can make a powerful difference. But before we dive into all that, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. We're here to help you live healthier, feel better, and age vibrantly. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a wellness tip that could change your life. And tell us in the comments, where are you watching from? We love hearing from viewers around the world. 1. Turmeric tea, the golden healer. Turmeric, known for its vibrant yellow hue, contains curcumin, a compound renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant power. Research published in Neuroregeneration Research, 2014, showed that curcumin significantly promotes nerve regeneration and supports the production of nerve growth factors. Inflammation and oxidative stress are like rust and heat on wires. They degrade the myelin sheath, disrupt signal flow, and lead to discomfort. Maria, a 63-year-old retired teacher with diabetic neuropathy, started drinking turmeric tea every evening. Within weeks, she noticed reduced tingling in her feet and improved sleep. Her nerves were finally getting some relief. Simmer 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder in water and add a pinch of black pepper to boost curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. It's a warm, healing tonic for your nerves. 2. Aloe vera juice, the internal coolant. Aloe vera isn't just for sunburns. Its juice contains anti-inflammatory polysaccharides and antioxidants that help calm irritated nerves and promote healing. A 2020 study in the Journal of Herbal Medicine highlighted aloe vera's role in reducing oxidative stress and improving glucose control, critical for diabetics at risk of neuropathy. James, a 58-year-old warehouse worker, added 4 ounces of aloe vera juice to his morning routine after developing numbness in his hands. Over time, his symptoms became less intense, especially during cold weather. Choose pure, unsweetened aloe vera juice. Start with small doses to assess tolerance, as it can have a mild laxative effect. 3. Ginger tea, the natural circulation booster. Ginger contains potent compounds like gingerol and shogal, which act as natural anti-inflammatories. A study in the International Journal of Preventive Medicine, 2013, showed that ginger significantly reduces inflammatory markers associated with neuropathic pain. Good circulation is critical for nerve repair. Healthy blood flow delivers oxygen and nutrients to the damaged tissues. Elaine, a 70-year-old with sciatica, started drinking ginger tea twice a day. After 2 weeks, her pain episodes became less frequent, and she regained the ability to walk longer without discomfort. Slice an inch of fresh ginger root and boil it in water. Drink warm, once or twice daily. But if you're on blood thinners or pregnant, consult your doctor first. 4. Green tea. Green tea is more than a soothing beverage. It's a neurological protector backed by science. It contains a powerful antioxidant called epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which has been shown to shield nerve cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress results from the buildup of free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells over time. According to a study published in Brain Research Bulletin, 2010, EGCG supports neuronal survival, slows degeneration, and even promotes regeneration by enhancing mitochondrial function. These protective actions are especially valuable in preventing diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily delivers these benefits without excessive caffeine. Those sensitive to caffeine can choose decaf versions or lighter steepings. Adding a slice of lemon boosts the body's ability to absorb green tea's antioxidants, making your daily cup even more effective for nerve defense and overall brain sharpness. 5. Blueberries. Often hailed as brain food, blueberries also play a critical role in nerve health. They are packed with anthocyanins and flavonoids, which act as potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents. These compounds reduce inflammation in nerve tissues and prevent oxidative damage, two major contributors to neuropathic pain and nerve degeneration. A study in the Journal of Neuroscience, 2012, found that rats fed blueberry extract showed enhanced nerve communication and motor function after nerve injury. Consuming blueberries regularly improves neuroplasticity, or the brain's ability to form new connections. You can blend them into smoothies with plant-based milk or coconut water for a nerve-nourishing, antioxidant-rich drink. The combination of improved blood flow, reduced inflammation, and better nerve signaling makes blueberries an essential natural remedy for nerve protection and recovery. 6. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is commonly associated with relaxation, but its therapeutic value extends to the nervous system. It contains apigenin, a flavonoid with proven anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and sedative properties. A study published in Molecular Medicine Reports, 2011, found that apigenin interacts with benzodiazepine receptors in the brain, promoting calmness and better sleep. Chronic inflammation and poor sleep can worsen nerve pain or delay healing, creating a negative feedback loop. By encouraging deep restorative sleep, chamomile supports nerve regeneration, since most healing occurs during non-REM sleep. Drinking chamomile tea 30 to 60 minutes before bed can help calm irritated nerves and reduce stress. However, individuals with ragweed allergies should avoid it due to potential cross-reactivity. 7. Warm milk with honey. A traditional remedy with modern relevance, warm milk and honey work together to support nerve repair through better sleep and mood. Milk is rich in tryptophan, an amino acid needed for the production of serotonin, mood-regulating neurotransmitter, and melatonin, sleep hormone. According to a study in Nutritional Neuroscience, 2005, diets high in tryptophan can improve sleep quality and reduce anxiety, both crucial for nerve recovery. Honey, on the other hand, contributes natural antioxidants and has mild anti-inflammatory properties. For dairy-free options, warm almond or oat milk can offer similar tryptophan benefits. Enjoying this drink before bedtime not only encourages restful sleep, but also aids the body's nocturnal nerve regeneration processes, making it a simple yet powerful practice. 8. Celery juice. Celery juice isn't just hype. It delivers real nerve support due to its high levels of apigenin and luteolin, two anti-inflammatory flavonoids. These compounds protect neurons by suppressing inflammatory pathways, especially those involving NF-κB, a protein complex that controls cytokine production. Additionally, celery provides potassium, a mineral vital for nerve signal conduction. Without enough potassium, the nervous system struggles to transmit electrical impulses, leading to symptoms like numbness or tingling. Drinking 8 ounces of fresh celery juice daily supports nerve signal balance and reduces inflammatory stress on nerve tissues. Fresh pressed celery offers the most benefit compared to processed versions, which may lose potency over time. 9. Coconut water. Coconut water is a natural electrolyte powerhouse, rich in potassium and magnesium, both of which are essential for nerve stability and hydration. Magnesium helps regulate the function of NMDA receptors, which play a role in pain perception and nerve excitability. Research from Magnesium Research, 2012, indicates that magnesium deficiency can exacerbate neuropathic pain and nerve hypersensitivity. Coconut water also restores fluid and mineral balance, especially in individuals who lose electrolytes due to heat, illness, or medication. Drinking 1 to 2 cups of unsweetened coconut water daily helps support nerve conduction, reduce spasms, and prevent the misfiring of nerve impulses. Choose varieties without added sugar or preservatives to avoid negating its benefits. Let's take a closer look at 3 powerful drinks that can profoundly support and nourish your nervous system. 1. Matcha green tea latte. Unlike regular green tea, matcha is made from finely ground whole tea leaves. meaning you get the full spectrum of nutrients in every sip. It's especially rich in epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, a potent antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals and reduces inflammation in nerve cells. Chronic oxidative stress is a major contributor to nerve degeneration and neuropathy, but EGCG helps protect neurons and maintain healthy brain and nerve function. Research published in Neurochemistry International, 2012, suggests that EGCG can reduce neuronal damage and may even enhance nerve regeneration. A warm cup of matcha latte in the morning not only provides a gentle caffeine boost, but also delivers neuroprotective benefits that last throughout the day. 2. Beetroot juice. Beets are rich in dietary nitrates, which convert to nitric oxide in the body, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and enhances circulation. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to nerve tissues, especially in peripheral regions like hands and feet. This improved circulation helps nerves heal more efficiently and reduces the risk of neuropathy. A study in hypertension research, 2016, found that beet juice improved endothelial function and increased nitric oxide bioavailability, both crucial for nerve health. Drinking a glass of beetroot juice after physical activity can accelerate muscle and nerve recovery, while also giving your brain a natural, oxygen-rich boost. 3. Bone broth. Bone broth is a traditional remedy making a strong scientific comeback. It's packed with collagen, glycine, and minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium, all essential for building and maintaining the protective myelin sheath around your nerves. Glycine, in particular, is an inhibitory neurotransmitter that calms overstimulated nerves and reduces symptoms of neuropathic pain. A review in Nutrients, 2018, highlights glycine's role in modulating inflammatory responses and improving sleep, both critical for nerve repair. Sipping on a warm cup of bone broth before bed not only supports joint and gut health, it provides the raw materials your nerves need to rebuild and communicate effectively. Whether it's a matcha latte to start your day, a shot of beet juice after a brisk walk, or a comforting bowl of bone broth before bed, these natural drinks offer real, science-backed support for your nerves. Healing doesn't always come in the form of medication. Sometimes it starts with your next sip. If this helped you understand how simple nutrition can powerfully impact your nerves, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Health Life, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more natural healing insights. Let us know in the comments. Which of these drinks are you excited to try first? Or have you already made one part of your routine? And share this with someone who's dealing with nerve pain, tingling, or numbness. They might just find the relief they've been searching for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.